Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 5 best food processor blender combo. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 5 on the list is Ninja Blender. Ninja's brand new innovative blender design has a twist tamper built into the lid so that you can push ingredients toward the high-speed blades with ease. Its powerful motor, the strongest of the ones in this roundup, can chop up tough ingredients like kale stems without your having to stop and shake the blender to ensure that everything gets mixed together. You can use the Ninja Twisty to make everything from smoothie bowls to creamy spreads by using its preset programs or pulse function, and you can even take drinks to go since it comes with small cups. It can be a touch loud when operating, but what do you expect from a powerful motor? The number 4 on the list is Vitamix Blender. Are you tired of replacing blenders every year or so when the motors burn out? Add this one to your kitchen arsenal and it will be the last blender you ever buy. It's built to last and it can do everything you need and more, from turning ice into fluffy snow to grinding grains into flour. The blending speed is easy to adjust with a simple dial, and you can change that speed as you blend, so you can always control the speed to get the texture you're looking for, while the pulse feature lets you do a rough chop for the perfect salsa. The blades spin so fast that you can heat cold ingredients to steaming hot in about 6 minutes for smooth hot sauces, salsas, or soups. While the food gets hot, the motor is designed to run cool so it won't overheat with extended blending time. For frozen treats, the rapid blending means that your ingredients won't have time to heat up, so you can make soft-serve frozen treats when you start from frozen ingredients. The number 3 on the list is Cuisinart Small Food Processor. Cuisinart has been a popular brand of food processors for generations, for good reason. They're sturdy kitchen workhorses. This is a basic model without the extras found on more expensive models, but it gets the job done with ease. It has 4 simple buttons for high, low, off, and pulse for perfect manual control for everything from chunky salsas to smooth purees. The bowl is 8 cups, and the work bowl M has measurement markings, so it's easy to see if there's enough shredded cabbage for the slaw. The included shredding and slicing discs are reversible, saving storage space while offering more cutting options. For easy cleaning, all of the removable parts are dishwasher safe. While there are less expensive food processors on the market, this one offers processing power and size for family use. The number 2 on the list is Breville Food Processor. This food processor has all the functions you'll need and the power to work with the ingredients you use most. It includes 5 multi-function discs and 3 blades that make short work of everything from dough to cheese to salsa. The large 16-cup bowl will handle large batches, while the 2.5-cup mini bowl is ideal for making hummus for one or blending a little chimichurri for a garnish. The super wide feed tube lets you process most vegetables without needing to cut them into small bits, and the LCD screen displays a count up and count down auto timer so you can monitor the processing time. The small feed tube makes it easy to handle small ingredients, while the small pusher doubles as a measuring cup. A silicone seal reduces leakage while the processor is running. The number 1 on the list is Cuisinart Food Processor. This food processor looks much like the original version that made food processors so popular in home kitchens, but now it's updated with a new chopping blade and a brushed stainless steel finish. The operation is simple, with a single lever to turn the machine on and a second lever for off-pulse functions. The bowl holds 14 cups, so it's large enough for family meals. It has dual feed tubes, so you can feed whole large vegetables in the large tube or stand thin foods like carrots and celery in the inner small tube so they won't fall over during slicing. This includes a slicing disc and a shredding disc, which are all you'll really need.